this one is very easy. If Joey and Katrina hike an average of 3 miles per hour. So, 3 miles per hour. So, 1 hour, 3 miles. Di kaya da nga i-hike. How long will it take them to hike both dito Beaverton Falls and Copper Creek? So, i-hike dito Falls Kenji Creek. So, pag plus ni 7.25 miles to 4.75 miles. So, 0.75 plus 0.25 balin nga 1 di ay. So, day 1 ikabilta dito 5 for example. So, 5 plus 7 that's 12. Tapos dyan nakag-solve. Nalakla ka. So, 0.75 plus 0.25 1 di ayan. So, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Oh, 3 miles per hour niya. So, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So, 4 hours. Nalaka lang di eh. Okay, for this one, which of the following is the correct graph for x is greater than or equal to 3 or x is less than or equal to negative 2? Okay, kanayon nakamalit dito greater than and less than. Greater than and less than. So, yung ini-imagine ko na lang is Pac-Man. So, if kinakain lagi ni Pac-Man yung mas malaki na number. So, for example, 8 is greater than 2. Kakainin niya si 2. Kakainin niya si 8 sa mas malaki. Pero, if it's 2 is less than 5, for example, ganyan. Siyempre, kakainin niya si 5 kasi mas malaki si 5. Kanayan niya date open kat mapanijid dakdakkel. Now, the meaning na mo the underline di baba is equal to. So, the meaning of the ticket greater than or equal to. The ticket less than or equal to. So, which of the following is the correct graph for x is equal to x is greater than or equal to 3. So, no kitam dito graph ni 3, the black nakasurat ijay 3. So, it's equal to 3 and then more than. So, di ba after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, di ay. So, it's greater than 3. Or, x is less than or equal to negative 2. Negative 2 dito eh. So, x is equal to negative 2 or less than. So, negative 1, negative 2. Okay? Hanga mabalin nga dito letter B. Kasi, it's either x is greater than or equal to 3 or x is lesser than or equal to negative 2. Awantik ko na about negative 1, 1, 2, 3. Awantik baga na about negative 1, 0, 1, 2. It's just talking about negative 2 and 3. So, dapat D talaga yung answer, hindi B.